Alright guys, so this is my third time attempt at trying to make a video. After I did that little photo shoot with the car with the new wheels and everything, I went to FD, had my car at a booth, that was sick. Went to a Madness to do some testing with the wheels, some drifting, and the car basically just understeered like crazy, and I think it was because I was using some front tires from a previous trade that I didn't know anything about. But anyway, so I'm over at Frank's work, and we have the car full spaceship mode because we're changing the front tires with some new ones, and the rears we're actually flipping, and we're going to Madness tonight to do some more testing before no start. So that's what we're doing now. All right, here we go. These things are crazy. There's the new fronts that we're going to be putting on. Some Westlake SA07 235 40s. Got my boy Frank helping me out as always. And yeah, that's what's on the to-do list. I got to go grab that tire over there, and that's what you'll see. All right, where the car is down on the ground, as you can see over there, and Frank's car is done. He had to do his fuel pump, and we're not sure if that's going to fix the problem that he had. I don't know if I've said it in a vlog before, but he's been having some kind of weird like cutout issue that he's been chasing. He's done a whole bunch of stuff, so here's hoping that it all pays off today. Either way, we are going to leave now and head down to WWT Raceway, and hopefully testing goes well, but we'll catch you guys when we get to the track. Alright, well, we actually just got to the track. We had a small mishap. Frank's car started cutting out and wouldn't respond to throttle input, so we turned around, and then all of a sudden his car started working again. So we are here. It's 8 o'clock, so it's a little dark, but we're going to get pitted and yeah, get out there and see what happens. All right, we're going to go out for our first lap and see if these tires were really the problem.
You go when
Not right now, no.
You go when he's leaving the course.
Okay. Than the last time I've been in it. Did David go back in?
I think so. I think he was doing something with his tires. I think he was changing tire pressures. This is gonna be a good ass video, I already know.
Alright, you're good. Alright, the first lap went super good. Those tires were junk. These feel so much better. I'm stoked. We're gonna jump right into some tandem with David real quick. We'll do a lead run for him.
Yes, sir. I like your car, man.
For sure.
Corvette.
More than you can.
How much do one of those cost? More than you can afford, pal.
GM.
GM. More than you can afford, pal.
Oh, duh. I didn't see it, sorry.
my God, David was on your door. That was hot. That was cool. That was a good lap. That was a good lap right there. That was nice.
All right, well, we just went out for a couple of laps, and it is definitely official. The tires were definitely fucking screwing me. My Westlake SA07s, which is what I normally run, I have those on the front of my car right now, and no fucking issues, no understeering.
Hopefully I can keep it that way. All right, man, let's make this bitch eat. Amazing, man. Thank you.
It wasn't the best, but it wasn't the worst.
Yeah, I get you. I get you.
Shout out to my people, right? But yeah, you guys just saw a couple laps. As you can see, when I started adding the Manji into that straightaway at the end, it flowed a lot better for me. And the car works fine, so I'm hyped, ready for No Star. I am officially out of tires, well, out of tires that I feel like running tonight. So yeah, I'm gonna call it on that, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, click this video to the left if you guys want to check out some more drifting content. Subscribe to the right, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.